Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down to find auto screen off. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got available options. At the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.